Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, June 15th. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21, and all cases have now recovered or left the island. This means we have no confirmed active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. The county has been allocated $28 million in federal funds to help us manage the COVID-19 crisis locally. I want to thank the Kauai County Council for their support and approval of our CARES Act funding program. We have separated that funding into three groups, which include $9.25 million for direct support, which includes food support, grants to nonprofits for things like child support and community services, mental health services grants, small business grants, physical distance summer fun, and related programs. $11.1 million for economic and supply chain resiliency. This includes agricultural assistance grants, tourism and economic diversification grants, Rise to Work, emergency workforce funding assistance for first responders, and other related programs. And nearly $8.4 million for response and preparedness. This will include houseless sheltering and other housing programs, county-wide hand-washing stations, additional personal protective equipment, IT equipment to support teleworking, and additional costs at the Kauai Emergency Management Agency and partnering agencies for ongoing COVID-19 response costs. Per federal guidelines, all of these projects must be complete by the end of this year, or the money must be returned to the federal government. The county will be dispersing some of this funding by issuing a request for proposals, which can be found at www.kauaiforward.com/RFP. The county will accept proposals until Wednesday, June 24th. Proposals must be submitted electronically. Only proposals that respond to the current COVID-19 outbreak that can be executed before December 30th, 2020 are eligible for a grant. Because this is a federal grant, there are extensive requirements. Effective tomorrow, Hawaii residents will be able to travel inter-island without needing to undergo the 14-day quarantine that mainland and foreign visitors must do. However, inter-island travelers will be subject to new travel requirements and should plan accordingly. There is a new state travel form, which travelers are encouraged to complete in advance before arriving at the airport. That form can be found at health.hawaii.gov/travel. Print the form and bring it with you to the airport. State officials are working to create a digital form with a QR code so that travelers can use their cell phones to streamline the screening process, but that option is not yet available. Face masks will be required during travel and your temperature will be checked. Anyone with a temperature higher than 100.4 degrees will not be allowed to fly. All of these details can be found on the state's website, health.hawaii.gov/travel. Again, please allow yourself extra time to check in as this new screening process is expected to cause delays. Also tomorrow, our Emergency Rule 12 allows the reopening of legal short-term rentals, transient vacation rentals, and homestays for people who are not subject to quarantine. However, mainland or foreign visitors remain subject to quarantine and are prohibited from staying in TVRs unless they own the unit. All incoming visitors will be asked to provide proof of accommodations upon arrival at the Lihue Airport. Rule 12 also reopens bars and the bar top service at restaurants subject to safety precautions. Bar operators must limit tables to 6 people unless they are living in the same household. If they are members of the same household, the table size can go to 10 people. Different table groups within the bar should remain at least 6 feet apart and must not intermingle. Bar employees must wear face coverings and patrons should wear masks on entering and leaving the bar, but may remove them while inside. For more information on this rule, please visit our COVID-19 page at www www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. As always, we offer these final reminders. Stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another. God bless, and aloha.